What's going on, everybody? It's King-Wright and welcome to Shaded Money.
Just a second.
Shaded Money is a YouTube platform that I created to give some financial education and help people improve their financial health. It's a channel where I'll be releasing short videos on many different financial topics and explaining them in ways that everybody can understand. Those topics will be ranging from banking, credit, investing, retirement, budgeting, sports wagering, music business, and the list goes on. It's a place where people of all ages and financial backgrounds can come and feel comfortable learning about ways that they can improve their own finances. A little background for myself: I've been working in the financial industry for 10 years, starting out as an intern in 2011 while going to school at Arizona State University. I've been providing financial literacy professionally for the past 7 years, presenting to various schools and community organizations. And I just wanted to create this platform as a way to give back and provide some financial gems to people just like me. If you really want to support Shaded Money, then just simply subscribe to the channel, like, and comment on all the videos. And tell a friend and tell a friend. All of that will allow Shaded Money videos to show up on more people's YouTube searches around the world. Leave a comment with topics that you may want covered in a short video, and follow Shaded Money on Instagram to stay up to date on announcements and other great opportunities you wouldn't want to miss out on. You could have been anywhere in the world right now, but you're here with me, and I appreciate that.